Imagine for a moment that you're immersed in an intense game of your favorite video game. Every move, every decision matters. Your heart is racing, your fingers are dancing on the keys, and your whole body is on high alert. But then, after long hours of gaming, you start to feel pain in your back, shoulders, and even your legs. Your concentration wanes and your performance suffers. You start to wonder, what if I had a chair that really supported me? Let me introduce you to the ergonomic gaming chair, SONGMICS OBG077B01, the secret to an unparalleled gaming and working experience. From the very first glance, this chair catches your eye with its sleek and elegant design in deep black, which fits perfectly into any space, whether it's your bedroom or your office. If you're interested, feel free to click the link in the description right now to learn more about its unique features. See hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers and order yours at the best price right now. Don't forget to subscribe to discover the best products we specially select for you every day. This gaming chair is perfect for passionate gamers and professionals who spend long hours in front of the computer. It's suitable for anyone looking for optimal comfort and lasting support to enhance their gaming or working experience. This chair is much more than just a simple seat. It's designed to provide superior comfort thanks to its high-density foam padding. Thank you. This foam is not only plush, but also durable, giving you a comfortable seat even after hours of use. You won't feel that discomfort that ruins your moments of relaxation or work anymore. The chair can support a maximum weight of 150 kilos, which speaks to its sturdiness and durability. One of the most impressive aspects of this chair is the ability to customize its settings. The headrest is adjustable and removable, allowing it to perfectly support your head. Whether you're in the middle of a gaming session or just reading a book, the built-in lumbar support is designed to fit the natural shape of your back, relieving muscle tension and helping you maintain a proper posture. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of extremely satisfied customer reviews. But that's not all. The SONGMICS gaming chair comes with a telescopic footrest. After a long day at work or an intense gaming session, you can simply extend the footrest, tilt the backrest between 90 and 135 degrees, and enjoy a well-deserved moment of relaxation. Imagine yourself with your feet up, watching a movie or chatting with your friends online without any discomfort or unease. The well-padded armrests are slightly curved to provide optimal support for your forearms. Whether you're typing on your keyboard or holding your game controller, these seemingly insignificant details make all the difference when it comes to comfort and well-being. The polyurethane covering of this chair is another major advantage. These seemingly significant details make all the difference when it comes to comfort and well-being. The polyurethane covering of this chair is another major advantage. It's pleasant to the touch, wear-resistant, and easy to clean. A simple cloth is enough to wipe away dirt or dust, allowing you to keep your space always clean and presentable. The sides of the chair are covered with a durable fabric that reduces noise, adding an extra touch of durability and practicality. This chair is also equipped with a high-quality gas lift, allowing for a smooth adjustment of the seat height. Whether you're tall or short, you can adjust the chair to your height for optimal comfort. The durable casters have undergone rigorous testing of 100,000 cycles, ensuring smooth and snag-free mobility. Even on uneven surfaces, this chair's sturdy star tread has been tested to withstand 2,500 pounds of static pressure for 1 minute, without breaking. This feature ensures maximum stability and safety, even during the most sudden and intense movements. So, don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it now at the best price and truly revolutionize your daily life. Now, I suggest we recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, superior ergonomics. Adjustable headrest, lumbar support, and well-padded armrests. Advantage number 2, versatility. Perfect for gaming sessions, office work, and moments of relaxation. Advantage number 3, high-density foam padding materials, quality coverings, easy to clean. Advantage number 4, durability. Gas lift and casters tested for exceptional longevity.